Here are some of the reasons why I use this FireXO fire extinguisher. One of the reasons is it puts out almost every fire, which is various materials such as wood, paper, gasoline, electrical appliances, and cooking oil, and also lithium-ion batteries. The main reason why I purchased this is for my sports car. I wanted to use it for emergencies, just in case something happens with my heavily modified sports car. I have this handy. It has an easy pull pin application, then press and spray towards fire. It includes a pressure gauge and a convenient mounting bracket. You can easily mount it by using zippy ties or using bolt-on application. Hardware is not included. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. Now let's have a closer look right out of the box. And at the end, you can see how I applied it to my vehicle. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.